On that day, Thomas the Train and his friends were flying towards a prehistoric island. What would they find?
Today, we fly. Adventure awaits in the sky.
Lift the wheels and spin the sky. Today our dreams will learn to fly.
Up we go! The sky feels amazing. Whoa! Look! An island!
Over oceans shining bright, we chase adventure in the light. Welcome to the island!
Those tracks are huge! A real dinosaur!
Hello, giants, kind and tall. We are happy to meet you all. So many amazing sights! They're adorable!
That volcano looks active.
Through the jungle, brave and free, adventure brings us harmony.
Time to head back soon. Thanks for the adventure. Ready to fly home!
Goodbye, Dino Island!
Beautiful view!
Adventure done, the day is bright. We fly together through the night.
We're almost home! Help! Mission complete! Da! Best trip ever! Adventure awaits again!